Alright, it's Jim again with BuildMeOne.net and AlohaPoolWater.net on YouTube. If you're looking for water in the Chicagoland area, give us a call. AlohaPoolWater.net on the internet. Anyway, we're working on our RV again today. We just showed you the outside water spigot that we replaced and turned into a newer style fitting for a garden hose. We had some problems with our water heater. It's a 2007 Fleetwood. So we're having, it's a Fleetwood Revolution, I'm sorry. We're having little problems with a proportioning valve, which changes, holds the temperature of the water so you don't get scalded, which is this valve right here. You can see it right there. It wasn't working properly. It mixes the cold water with the hot, so it blends your temperature so you don't scald yourself. This is the first RV we've ever had that on there, so we just bypassed it. We put a cap here on the bottom, which you can see right there. We just capped the cold water line coming into it, and we'll control it like we always did before with our spigots. It wasn't warm enough to even wash dishes with, so we just took and put a cap down at the very bottom down over there. I don't know if you really can't see it there, and then we put the cap there. They're 1/2-inch caps, so we replaced that. And once we opened the door back here, we also saw a very dangerous problem, which could have caused the motorhome to burn up. This also has it's gas and electric water heater, so if you have an electric water heater with your gas water heater, you might want to pull the cover off and check it. This fitting here, as you can see, is a little burnt. This is the red cap, and you can see right through the red cap into the wires. And the yellow cap is kind of disintegrated also. Where they wire tied the wires together here, this is your 15 amp 110 volt coming back to a box here, which was just kind of floating in here, just kind of sitting, nonchalantly in there. It burnt. It completely melted the wires and the cap, as you can see. Completely melted right through it. It got so hot. Problem being, I think, is that these wire connection nuts were not on properly. So they were loose. So when it's loose, it draws more voltage to make the connection. So if you do have a gas or electric hot water heater in your RV, you might want to take the cover off and look at those connections. You could save yourself from losing your RV entirely because of a faulty electronic heater element or the wire connections to your hot water heater. I'm completely disconnecting them and getting rid of it. I don't want that possibility to happen again. You're not talking the greatest of equipment in some of these RVs, so we're just going to take this electric cord. We're going to put a box in, little electric box here, right down here in the corner, and we're going to give ourselves another outlet. So we'll take and use that circuit for something that we can use a little bit more. 110 15 amp outlet in the RV. So I'll just stick with the gas. I like that better. Never had a problem with my gas water heater before. Just don't really want to take a chance with the electric again. So check your RV water heater out if you have a gas and electric unit. Might keep yourself from burning down your motorhome.